Here are the list of 5 best Chromebook photo editors.
1.
Number 1. Best overall Chromebook photo editor, Adobe Photoshop Express. Here are some good points of this one. Import raw file types from cameras made by Canon, Epson, Fuji, Sony, and others. User-friendly for Photoshop pros and novices. Save edits without destroying the original file. Here are some bad points of this one. Lacks many features found in Photoshop CC. Only exports JPEG files. Requires an internet connection. You can check out the link in description box.
2.
Number 2. Best Advanced Editing App, GIMP Online. Here are some good points of this one. In-depth online tutorials on the GIMP website. Free and open source. Access all of GIMP's features in a web browser. Here are some bad points of this one. Intrusive ads get in the way of the interface. Slow response times and laggy drawing tools. You can check out the link in description box. Also, if you are enjoying it, then please like this video.
3.
Number 3. Best app for editing webcam photos, Pixlr. Here are some good points of this one. Cloning, sharpening, blurring, and red eye reduction tools. More integrated filters than most other editors. Here are some bad points of this one. PSD files containing multiple layers don't always open. A pro subscription is required to unlock all features. You can check out the link in description box.
4.
Number 4. Best photo filters, Polarr photo editor. Here are some good points of this one. Works without an internet connection. Helpful built-in tutorials. Add cool effects like flares, clouds, rain, and more. Here are some bad points of this one. Doesn't support raw image files. Batch editing and other advanced functionality require a paid upgrade. You can check out the link in description box.
5.
Number 5. Best for layering, Sumo Paint. Here are some good points of this one. A free trial is available. Ideal for creating custom graphics and webcomics. Here are some bad points of this one. Doesn't support Photoshop's default PSD format. Must pay to remove ads and unlock all features. You can check out the link in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the red subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future updates from this channel.